How to use Vanguard Index Funds for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how to use Vanguard Index Fund as a beginner. I will show you how to sign up for Vanguard and what is a Vanguard Index Fund, how you invest in it, and what is the pricing. So let's get started. Before we get into this video, I want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. Trading and investing in ETF involves a high degree of risk and it totally depends on you that what you want to do with it, and make sure to get all the information before you get into investment. So let's begin with the video. First of all, if you do not have any idea about Vanguard Index Fund, well, it is an ETF and it is a type of fund that holds a basket of securities such as stocks that generally determine and track the underlying index. So that is Vanguard Index, and Vanguard is actually one of the very famous ETFs out there with a lot of different funds. And today we are going to be talking about the index fund of Vanguard. So what you have to do is to go to the official website of Vanguard. You will simply go to investor.vanguard.com and you will land on this platform right here. Now, Vanguard actually has different websites for different countries. So you can actually go to the global sites right here and you will be able to find the right website for yourself in whatever country or whatever region of the world you are from. So simply go to global sites. That's the first step I think you should do, and find the right website for yourself according to your location. Now you will simply select different continents. We have America, we have Asia, and then we have Europe. So you will go to any of these. Let's check out what are the countries available in Asia. So we have Asia and Pacific. So we have Australia, Hong Kong, and China. When it comes to Americas, we have Canada, Mexico, and United States. And when it comes to Europe, we have Australia, Finland, Germany, Norway, United Kingdom, Spain, Italy. All of these countries are available. So if you are from any of these countries, then you are in luck, and Vanguard is available in your country. But if your country is not here, unfortunately it's not available, the website for Vanguard, and you won't be able to sign up. So now let's go ahead and sign up for our Vanguard, and let me show you how you do that. So you simply go to the personal investor, and when you go to personal investor, you will be able to sign up or log in to your Vanguard. Well, the signing up process is really easy. You simply sign up with your email address and then you set up a password, and that's it. You have your own Vanguard. So now let me tell you more about Vanguard, that what is the pricing for Vanguard Index and how we can actually go ahead and use it, and why you should choose Vanguard Index funds. Again, I am not a financial advisor. I am just going to be showing you around the platform. So when we go to personal investor, we have two options actually. We have a personal investor and then we have a professional investor. So I have opened up personal investors because we are beginners and we are not a professional investor, right? And personal and professional have different options, so we're gonna go with the personal investor option that allows us to create a personal account. Then we have other option as well, such as retirement plan participants, we have institutional investors, we have financial advisors, we have non-US investors, then we have small business online, about Vanguard. So these are the different options that we are going to be getting. So what we offer, I would be able to actually show you all of the investment products that are available. So we have ETFs right here. Let's go to ETFs and let me show you how you can actually invest in it. So the price for all the ETFs actually vary every day, so it will change every second. I cannot tell you the exact pricing right now. It may be different right now at the time of making this video, and it will be different when you will be looking for it. So what happens is that we have ETFs right here, and all types of ETFs are available on Vanguard. When it comes to the Vanguard Index funds, let me show you what are different Vanguard Index funds that you will be able to find. When it comes to the Vanguard Index Fund, we have Vanguard 500 Index Fund, then we have Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund, then we have Vanguard Total Bond Market Index Fund, then we have Vanguard Balanced Index Fund, and then we have Vanguard Growth Index Fund, Vanguard Small Cap Index Fund, Vanguard Total International Stock Index Fund, Vanguard Total International Bond Index Fund. You will be able to find the expense ratio as well if you want to check out the expense ratio. So Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund is going to be 0.04% expense ratio. Then we have a minimum investment of 3,000. So the minimum investment for Vanguard Index Fund is actually $3,000 dollars, of course. And then this is the minimum investment to get started with Vanguard Index. And then you can actually go for any of the index fund. You can actually go for the international stock, you can go with a bond index, international bond, then you can also go with a 500 index fund. The expense ratio of course varies with different Vanguard indexes, like whatever you are choosing, it depends on you. When it comes to the Vanguard platform, let me show you how you can actually go ahead and use the platform as well. So to open an account, I just show you, you can open account very easily with just your email address. Then we have forms right here. In forms, I will be able to find all the forms for different criterias and eligibilities. Of course, when it comes to trading and investment, you have to go through different things to kind of like get eligible, because you cannot just start investing and trading right away. So you can actually check out all the Vanguard ETFs right here, and you can see right here they all are given right here. So now I can just simply scroll down and find the index ones. All of them actually are available on Vanguard, so don't worry about it. And now you can see right here we have the asset class right here, then we have the risk, we have expense ratio, and then we have the buy option given as well. So you can simply go ahead and buy ETFs, or you can buy funds within your Vanguard. So this is like super easy, you don't have to go to any other platform. We can buy ETFs with Vanguard. You can actually check out the risk, you can check out the expense ratio, you can also compare different ETFs with each other, and then you can decide that which one is good for you. And then check out their prices, you can check out the performance, everything, and after that you can make a decision that which one you want to buy. The buy option is given right here, and then you will be able to find the right ETFs for you, and you will be able to invest in Vanguard index funds. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. I wanted to show you how to use Vanguard Index Fund. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.